mayroon na naman tayong magic tricks, guys. Tanggalin natin dalawang joker, guys. Dalawang joker. Walang sit up to, guys. Walang sit up. Katin natin, guys. Bubuksan natin yung top card, guys. Kung ano yung magpapakita, yun ang bibilangin natin, guys. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Surprise, guys. Buksan natin yung top card. 2. 1, 2. 2. 1, 2. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Itong top card, guys, itong apat na piles na itong linya, guys, apat na queen, guys, 4 queen, apat na queen. Buksan natin, guys. Four queen, guys. The magician is always correct, guys. 4 queen. Ito naman top card, guys, sa taas, 4 king, apat na king, guys. Buksan natin, guys. King, guys. The magician is always correct, guys. Thank you for watching, guys.